For more updates, subscribe to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to My Dreams Academy. In the previous class, we have discussed previous ESET examination, and this is the continuation video for that video. So please do subscribe to My Dreams Academy for more information regarding to ESET examination. Thank you. So question number 41, that is slip recovery scheme is employed for. Slip recovery scheme is employed for. Option A, below synchronous speed, above synchronous speed, both. So slip recovery scheme is used below synchronous speed as well as above rated speed. So both is correct answer. Option C is correct for this one. Next, question number 42, that is, in AC series motors, the purpose of providing compensating winding is reduce the sparking at brushes, increase the torque, reduce the heating of armature, minimize the vibrations. So it is used to reduce the sparking at the brushes. Option A is correct. 43, stepper motor having the resolution 150 step for revolutions and the running at a speed of 2400 rpm. So what we need to calculate here? We need to calculate pulse rate. Sir, how I can able to calculate the pulse rate? Simple. 2400 into 150 divided by, this is per minute, so we need to make a by 60. So 0 0 get cancel, 6 1s are 6 4s are 4 into 15, it will give 6000. Okay, the answer is 6000, pulse rate answer. Next, question number 44. So the equipment installed in a power plant to reduce the air pollution due to smoke. Okay, so we'll install one equipment that is called ESP, electrostatic precipitator. Will give supply voltage of 20 kV DC to this one electrostatic precipitator. In this, one is positive terminal, another one is negative terminal. So the dust particle will attach to these particles. Next, question number 45. The following is used to reduce the speed of the neutron in the nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. The equipment which is reduced the speed of the neutron is, that is, moderator. So moderator is used to reduce the speed of the neutron. Similarly, we'll have control rods. The control rods are used in the nuclear power plant is, it will control the chain reaction of a uranium. Right? Next one, question number 46. Low power factor is usually not used to. So discharge lamps, incandescent lamps, arc lamps, induction furnace. In this, the only bulb does not require low power factor, that is incandescent power factor. Incandescent bulb. Incandescent lamp. The working power factor of incandescent lamp is UPF, unity power factor. It is purely resistive, right? Next one, question number 47. The world's first 100% solar powered airport we have one airport that is 100% solar power, which is at Tamil Nadu, that is called Cochin Airport. Cochin Airport, right? Next question number 48. Coefficient of performance of a Chauvenier's type windmill. So the coefficient for windmill is low, 48, it is C. Next 49, that is, which of the following circuit breaker generally used in railway electrification? In generally, in a railway electrification we'll use ABCB, that is air blast circuit breaker. Air blast circuit breaker. Next question. Reasons are used at various locations in power system. Increase the short circuit current, avoid the short circuit current, limit the short circuit current, none of the above. Why we need to use reactors in a power systems? So this is the reactor. Let us consider a simple circuit. This is 250 volts, this is 25 ohm reactance value. What is the current value? The current value is 10 ampere. If I wanted to reduce this current value, if I increase one more reactor like this, 25 ohms, so 25 plus 25, it will give 50. So the current flowing through this one is 5 ampere. So why do we use reactors in a power system? To limit the current. Okay, so option C is correct for this question. So thank you for watching this video. For a more details regarding GSET examination, please do subscribe to My Dreams Academy. Thank you all.